So I'm just gonna be real, I kinda don't like this idea. Probably because I like shooting on a 35 full frame equivalent lens, maybe even a 28, because I like context. I like to, you know, put things into really good compositions, but I guess that's the practice, so we'll see. Alright, some of the issues right now are kind of obvious. I'm trying to apply my same methods of street photography with a 35mm with a portrait lens, and it's not working at all. Because I like to put things into context, place everything, make sure everything kind of looks cool, and it's just not working. So I think I'm gonna shoot everything wide open, kind of isolate the subject a little bit, and kind of maybe shoot a little more abstractly, make things a little weird, kind of play with the composition, get a little funky with it. I don't know, we'll see.
You're the star in all of my dreams. If I left, would you go there with me? Slip away and leave here through sleep. I hope to be the last man standing. I would hurt anyone over you. Look how long have we waited? Now I've got my hands on you.
It's cold. Alright, so I've been filming for a few hours now, and I need some gloves. And I need some gloves to wrap around my little peepee.
All of my pain you can't undo. You will learn to love me soon. Now I've got my hands on you.
Alright, I just realized that I may have said back there my little peepee. What I was referring to is this current state, because, you know, it's cold, because like any normal day it's a nice, healthy, strong, normal sized peepee. Why am I sharing this? Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. It was a really interesting exercise trying to do street photography with a portrait lens. It's really difficult, but I like the fact you can kind of play with depth of field a little bit, kind of blur things out in the foreground and then focus on the background, or get a little abstract with it. So that was a pretty cool aspect. I think the dumb analogy would be if you have a set routine at the gym and you're lifting the same weights, doing the same routine. It's nice to kind of do a little CrossFit routine to kind of shock your muscles a little bit for muscle confusion. And this was literally that, just eye confusion. My eyes were like, what the hell is going on here? Why is everything so close? Like, wah. So it's just a really cool exercise to kind of try out, and I think I will kind of benefit overall as just a photographer, just trying little experiments like this. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and include that one photo that I think was a good photo for the day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I plan on doing more videos, so yeah. Oh, also, as always, be cool, be nice, be sexy, positive. All right, cool.